603 one-bedroom apartment. As we enter, this is the open kitchen with a lot of cabinets out here. You have a gas range with an exhaust system. We have space for fridge out here. There is a space for dishwasher and washing machine. That's quite impressive. So with the one bedroom, you have, this is the living space area. 8 by 7 2 feet tiles each. As we enter to the bedroom, 8 by 6 2 feet tiles each. We have a balcony which is for the living room and bedroom. This walk-in wardrobe concept with storage, single sink, storage and bathtub.